Welcome to Garvit Sharma online classes, class 9th, chapter 8, quadrilateral. We have solved previous theorem up to 3 in our previous videos. Today we will solve theorem 4 and theorem 5 of this chapter. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. The theorem is a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. Let's see theorem 4. Theorem 4. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. Given. What is given in this theorem? A quadrilateral only in a quadrilateral ABCD. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. This is your parallelogram A, B, C and D. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. These are opposite sides and which are equal. To prove, what we will have to prove? To prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. We have to prove it. Theorem 4. Opposite sides are equal. Construction. We have to make construction. Join AC. Join AC and gives the name 1, 2, 3, 4. Proof. In triangle, we will take two triangles ABC and ADC. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC. AB is equal to CD and AD and BC is equal to AD. Both of given. AC is equal to AC, which is common. So, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle ADC. ABC will be congruent to triangle ADC by how? By side criteria. Yes. Let's see. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 4 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Here we will write that alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So AB parallel to CD, 1 is equal to 4, then AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. Hence we can write here that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence we have proved it. Now we will prove theorem 5. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. We have to prove that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Let's take theorem 5. Here is no construction. Theorem 5. Given that it is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. A parallelogram A, B, C, D. We have to prove that opposite angles are equal. We have to prove that two things we will have to prove. Number first, angle A is equal to angle C, and second is angle B is equal to angle D. Okay, let's see proof. AB parallel CD and BC is transversal, and BC is transversal. So angle B plus C, angle B plus C will be equal to 180. Yeah, and AD parallel BC, AD parallel BC and AB is transversal. AB is transversal line here, line. So this is your first equation. You will have to write here sum of consecutive interior angles. Sum of consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. This is second equation, and you will write here that same statement, sum of consecutive interior angles. Sum of consecutive interior angles. From first and second, we see that from first and second, this side will be this side is equal, so this will be equal. Angle B plus C, angle B plus angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. Here B and B are same, so A will be equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Similarly, we can write here that angle B is equal to angle D. Hence, we will have to prove that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. This angle is this angle and this angle equal to this angle. Yes? Like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will come back with my new videos with new theorems. Theorem number 6, 7. Okay.